Hi, my name is Tyler Reese, and welcome to your son or daughter's biology course. We're going to start here on dashboard. They have a dashboard with courses like this. Pretty easy to recognize biology. We have the GIF, and it says bio right on it, so we'll click there, start there. Now mine's going to look just a little different, but I'm going to navigate to student view, so I'll see on my screen what you would likely see on your son or daughter's screen. Now first and foremost, when we get to our home page here, this frog banner, when we click that, this is a link directly to their daily check-in when they are on their remote days. So they would take this non-graded survey and submit it, and on their remote days, if there was no assignment for me to grade or to check that day, then this is how I know they were there. If they forgot to do the survey but there was an assignment, I will look at that and take attendance that way. But this is very important that they do this every one of their remote days. And you get there by clicking that frog banner. Now, the rest of the homepage is pretty simplistic. We have some important stuff. For instance, the link to our Friday Zoom meetings is found first and foremost here. A small video explaining how to navigate this homepage is always embedded here as well. Then I have also some explanations like what are learning modules, class discussions, class resources, and announcements. I have a Twitter page, Twitter feed that is in real time with my actual Twitter through the high school here, Mr. Reese_GAHS. You're welcome to follow me on there. I share all kinds of things from student work to cool science things or things we're doing in the classroom. And then at the bottom here, we just have some quick links to the above mentioned spaces. Now, when your son or daughter comes into their bio course via their dashboard, they come here to this home screen and they almost always only navigate to this modules tab. Okay. Now, the modules tab I tried to set up pretty self-explanatory. Every module starts with this kind of darker gray heading, and each module is broken into a week. So you can see our most recent week, aka module 9/14 to 18, starting today, is broken down within the module by day, Monday through Friday, and we have all kinds of things to do each day. We click on the learning resources for a particular day, like Monday. You can see I have introduction to the day, some quick links to Google Forms, Google Slides that they may need, and some reminders of things like discussion boards, responding to peers, what they're supposed to do remotely the following day. And if you keep scrolling down, you'll see past modules. Like here's last week, again organized the same way. One module was 1 week, broken down by Monday through Friday, and our first week all the way at the bottom here. Now in this bio course, we cover everything from Unit 1, which is stuff your son or daughter has learned from one of their first science classes up till now. We try to just chunk it all and review it, put it at the forefront of their mind, getting them thinking scientifically, and then starting in Unit 2, we move into a little bit of chemistry, then the cell, then cell division, genetics, DNA, and ultimately wrap up with evolution, hopefully around December or January. Each unit that I give in this course comes with a Quizlet attached to it, and I can navigate to that Quizlet here quickly. Each unit does have a Quizlet, and your son or daughter should have been prompted to join the Quizlet class biology. So we click there. You can see that I have Unit 1, Unit 2, I have Unit 3 broken into 3 different Quizlets, Unit 4, 5, 6, and all the way to 8. It's rare that we get to 7 and 8. Usually it ends on Unit 6 with Theory of Evolution, but who knows how this year will wrap up. Maybe we'll have extra time, maybe we won't. That's way too far off for me to predict right now. But your son or daughter should make this their best friend. I really try to impress upon them that biology is a language, and without this Quizlet full of their terms and their understanding of it, they're going to struggle on it. Every unit in this class does have labs in it, does have a unit test at the end. The first unit this year, this time around, we are not going to do a Unit 1 test. just because it seems maybe more irrelevant than ever since your son or daughter has already learned this information, and really we're just trying to have them recall it. So I decided to start doing unit tests for Unit 2 when we actually get into the new information. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. My phone number is the school's number with the extension 6176. Email is treese@gasd-pa.org. Thank you.